Hey everybody, it's Dean DeCosta, the Search Authority, and today we're talking about the latest and greatest from our friends at Rockstar Finder. For those of you who don't know, I've done a video on it. Rockstar Finder is a great sourcing tool, especially for agencies and stuff. So here we go. The newest and latest is over in the prospects. This is the main screen you get to. You look over here in prospecting. And this is for finding new clients. What you do is you put in a company, put in state, you can put in an industry, you could specify a company, whatever you'd like to do, and you're going to get back a list, and then you add that person to your database, which is basically right here, or that company, excuse me. So here's clients. So as an example, Microsoft was one I picked. So here you can view the project, view profile, and view on LinkedIn if there's LinkedIn information on them. So we're going to do the profile part. What I like about this is you get all this information up here, their LinkedIn URL, their personal one, personal number, all that. You get all that stuff. You can edit the profile. You can view it on LinkedIn. You can edit contacts. You can find contacts. This means you get to find people that would be worth reaching out to. So as an example, look at all these. You get the president, you get senior people, you get everything you want. So these are your points of contact that you might want to reach out to. So let's say we want to reach out to CEO. We now add as a contact. Add as a contact, and they're going to be added. And once they're added, you then have access to it. You'll be able to get their email address, phone number, both personal or work, anything you need. And that's pretty much how the system works. And all this information for him will be available to you. You can view their profile, of course. It's just going to open their LinkedIn profile, assuming they have one. If not, it'll open a different profile. Really cool tool. And for this is important because this allows you to, this will allow you to get to find ways to email with them. Now they do have a communications piece, so you can go ahead and communicate with people and do all sorts of neat stuff. So we're going to go back to the client piece, and again, you got view project, view profile, view things. So we're going to view the project, and it gets you here with the names, and then you just get to move. Do I want to add all contacts? See here, all contacts added to this client. So if I wanted to do that, I could do that. I didn't push anything to add, just so you know. That's why there's nobody there. I didn't push any. If I have to go back here and decide who I want to add. So if we go back to Microsoft, which is the client we're looking at, we would just go ahead and add, and here are the people we would add. Add him, add new contact added. We'll add Brad Smith. These are the people we decided to add. See how it says added? And we go here to add it. And there they are. There's Brad Smith, and here's a bunch of different emails, mostly work here. You can get their personal emails. Here's the same thing with Satya, same thing. And then you can go ahead and put them as uncontacted contacted metrics. You can go ahead and enrich to get personal information. So I'm going to go ahead and enrich this one. It'll take a few minutes. And then you can go ahead and do whatever you'd like. So if I want to go ahead and see there's Hotmails right there, that form. So we continue. And what will happen is then we got the person to the next steps. We can now do emails. We can now do whatever we want. We can do social information. We can do quick ads to add people privately. We can do whatever we'd like. So this tool now becomes not just a recruiting sourcing tool, but a actual client finding, client engagement type of tool that can really help your organization. Like I said, there's personal emails, there's work emails, everything you need. You can go to the LinkedIn profile, you can disqualify the candidate, you can continue, you can enrich. Here's uncontacted. See, I haven't contacted them. Now, if I want to contact, I go to push the button, I go to the contact center. I pick the email, I use my template. If I have a phone number or a texting capability, I can SMS from here. I get the email history, the text history, get everything I want. Really easy, simple, all in one little space. And we're going to go ahead and get out of here and get back here. And that's how simple it is. It's just that simple. And then, of course, I can go to the contact space and keep going. I'm putting them through the metrics and just keep going through the system. Really simple. Notice up here it created a project all by itself. I didn't need to create one. It automatically does them. I have several projects in here. Most of them are sourcing projects. This is the first client project. And there you go. That's it. So long story short, you can find client companies, then you can find people at the companies. You can message from you. You can find personal information. You can do it all right from one nice little system. So how it is, and that's how it works. Simple, easy peasy. Now I know some of you might have saw the little red thing said there was an error. That was not Rockstar Finder error. That was my web browser error. I'm doing an update to another web browser, and it was letting me know there was an error with the update, so I have to fix that. It's not Rockstar Finder. Rockstar Finder did its job, and makes life real simple and easy. So again, you had the candidate finding. Now you have the client finding. Pick a client, pick a location, pick an industry, pick the client, stick them in a folder, find people you think you should reach out to, enhance to get personal information, and do it, and then reach out right from the system. No leaving the system. Everything is right in Rockstar Finder. One tool, the do it all. My name is Dean Costa, the search authority. This was Rockstar Finder. May the source be with you.